Welcome back to another Tech Stop video. Your home's your castle, so why not make it the best it can be? Today's video is all about amazing home ideas and genius space-saving designs. If you enjoy it, let us know with a like. Now let's get started. Number 10. Forms in Nature Chandelier. What started as an art sculpture by Copenhagen artists Hilden and Diaz, Forms in Nature was so popular they decided to start selling them. This incredible 3D printed chandelier creates wonderfully mysterious forest shadows right inside your own home. Each Forms in Nature chandelier is 3D printed and then assembled by hand. It takes 8 hours just to finish a single one of these amazing light fixtures. Although they come with a hefty price point of $4,100, each Forms in Nature chandelier will have a numbered certificate of authenticity. Both creators take pride in their work, and to show his appreciation, P.O. Diaz will often travel the world to meet his customers to hear how his and Haydn's art have inspired and transformed their customers' homes. Number 9. Klein Sliding Panels. Klein Architectural Interior Systems specializes in building frameless sliding doors you can use to redesign homes on the fly with style and ease. These sliding doors neatly fit into designated slots in your walls when you're not using them to save space. And when you need a partition, you can slide them out without breaking a sweat. Some panels can be up to 300 pounds, but you can move them with just your fingertip, thanks to Klein's awesome tech. Whether you want wood or glass, there are tons of options to choose from, including barn doors, self-closing doors, panoramic sliders, and more. Save yourself tons of time and effort with Klein sliding panels, and skip the costly process of building permanent indoor walls. Number 8. Defendius Labyrinth Security Lock. Invented by Art Lebedev Studio, the Defendius Labyrinth Lock adds an extra layer of security to your home that can be used on the inside or outside of your home. Now, if a burglar manages to steal a key, they need to take the time to solve this lock before getting into your home. In many cases, simply seeing the lock will be enough to deter the would-be burglars. After all, crooks want to get in and out as fast as possible without raising suspicion. Nervously fumbling around with a puzzle lock is sure to catch the attention of neighbors. If you combine this with camera systems or other home defense systems, the time it takes to solve the lock might be a lifesaver. When used inside, the lock can't simply be jarred loose or wiggled free from the outside. No one would expect a complex puzzle instead of a straight-across chain. Number 7. Ping pong door. Here's an amazing idea that saves space and is awesome fun all at the same time. The ping pong door locks upright when you need privacy and folds down into a perfect ping pong table when you want to have fun with siblings, roommates, friends, or family. It's a great conversation starter and super cool for parties. Plus, it frees up your floor space for all kinds of other furniture or activities. It's perfect for small apartments where every foot of floor space counts, but it's also great for full-sized homes too. It's an all-around awesome home idea. Number 6. Illuminated shower heads. These awesome inventions transform your boring old shower into a unique space that reflects your style. There are tons of different varieties from different brands that you can easily install in place of your old shower head. Many options come with a wide array of different colored lights so you can switch off the harsh white light and relax in a light that fits your decor. There are even lighted rainfall shower heads to add that extra relaxing factor your showers have been missing. Number 5. Aquarium beds. Live comfortably and turn your bedroom into something straight out of your wildest dreams with aquarium beds. These amazing custom beds are designed by the conveniently named Acrylic Tank Manufacturing Company. Talk about rethinking the waterbed. Now you can have an actual aquatic bedroom with whatever mattress you want. ATM makes custom tanks with various materials and sizes ranging from 45 to 360 gallons. These incredible aquariums can support saltwater or freshwater ecosystems so you can have the exact environment you've always wanted. Imagine that. You can have cute little goldfish above your bed, or starfish, or really any species of fish that will be able to live comfortably in the size tank you decide to install. ATM even offers quotes, so if you seriously need an aquarium bed in your life, you can talk with them to get started. Number 4. Stairway drawers. We take our stairs for granted. It's time to start the stairway revolution and transform these boring household designs into something awesome. We're not talking about drawers that look like stairs, but instead, these ideas transform your existing stairs into drawers that pull out from underneath each step and then seamlessly retract to save space. DIY fans can find tons of information on how to transform their stairs into space-saving drawers. and there are tons of different options available online for those looking to build their own home or make additions to an existing home. You could even try installing stairway drawers outside for easy storage of tools or yard equipment to free up that precious shed space, or clean up the clutter in your yard. Number 3. Fusion pooling and dining table. These awesome ideas save space and add tons of fun into your living room with dining tables that transform into pool tables in seconds. There are a variety of different manufacturers and models to choose from. There's the Hampton Multifunctional, the Eat Play Table CB2, the Ultra Premium Da Vinci Pool Table, the Dax Front Gate, and there's even a version available on Amazon from Aramith that comes with a variety of different finishes to match your decor. A traditional green felt pool table can look okay in some rooms, but ugly in others. Instead, these transforming tables use a nice variety of colors, including a neutral gray that matches the sides and legs of the table. They're an all-around excellent addition to any home. Number 2. Mezzanine Floor Kits. Created by TechroStar, these innovative space-saving loft kits add extra floor space to your home with minimal construction and tons of style. The sleek industrial look of these platforms come in a variety of sizes, from small homes all the way up to warehouse-sized solutions. The coolest feature of these kits comes from their tech. With the push of a button, you can raise the stairs to save floor space or secure the upper platform. They even come with a 10-year warranty, so you can invest in these kits with peace of mind. Redesign your interior layout with mezzanine floor kits. Number 1. Vertical Gardens. Vertical gardens or wall gardens are excellent ways to spruce up your home and save space at the same time. These gardens give you a ton of flexibility. You can combine houseplants, herbs, and vegetables, all while saving valuable floor space and improving the interior of your home. Sometimes called the living green wall, this amazing home idea can even naturally reduce ambient temperature to save you money on cooling in the summer months. Vertical gardens pair excellently with cutting-edge hydroponic growing solutions like MIT's Open Agriculture Initiative. Using a combination of machine learning and high-tech sensors, OpenAG aims to grow the healthiest plants and the best-tasting food. With OpenAG, you can remotely monitor the health of your vertical garden and release exact quantities of specific nutrients to immediately fix pH or other issues without even being in the same room. You can even simulate specific weather conditions like rain and drought, enabling genetic activation of desired traits. Whether you go high-tech or simple, vertical gardens will save space, turn heads, and will help you live happier, healthier lives. What did you think of these amazing home ideas? Let us know in the comments below, and like the video to let us know you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, subscribe to TechStuff for more awesome videos, and we'll see you next time.